right back. And I don't know if Dada will be here.
You count 30. 30.
Yeah, 30.
Yeah. Yay! Lunchtime! I'm filming. Iba pa rin yung lasa ng barbecue kapag yung ginagamit mo is charcoal. Yung totoo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Yung araw andun sa swimming pool. Pero andun yung araw sa taas. Reflection. Good morning, guys. Magandang araw sa lahat. Yung sun is parang nasa baba, diba? Nasa tubig kasi. Yeah. Sinabihan ako ni Tami kagabi. Good morning. Oh, sinabihan ako ni Tami kagabi. Ano daw? Open the windows. Para may fresh air tayo. Yun yung sabi niya. Open tayo. Ano guys? Malilim. Ang ganda ng ngayon sa labas. Yung sa labas niyan ba sobrang ganda. Good morning. Kagigising ko lang talaga. Yan. It's a nice day today. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday. Ang daming ibon. Yung window din sa taas, open. Kagabi pa yun. Inopen ko siya. Hindi man umulan. So, okay. Come in. Rocky. Good girl. Kainin ko muna sila, guys. And, yeah. Today is Sunday. Plano ngayon ng sister-in-law ko. May plano siya. Gusto niya pumunta sa isang bahay. Dalhin daw niya yung, ina niya doon. Which is good para naman Get down, Dimples! Hubs, get down! Hubs! Anak ko. Tapos na ako nag-map. Nagmamap lang ako sa floor kasi alam na. And gusto pa akong mag-map ako ulit. It's already 11. My God, ang bilis ng panahon. Ang bilis-bilis. Iwan ko kung asan yung cellphone ko. Andun ata sa taas. Kunin natin sa taas, ha? Andito ba yung cellphone ko? Andun pala sa baba. Shocking. Anyway guys, alam nyo guys, this morning, dito ako sa taas. Nag-ano lang ako guys, nag-set up ako ng laro. Yan, tignan nyo naman to. Yung mga wire. Yung mga wire andun. Ito yung siniset up ko, guys. Ito siya. Stream Deck. And, yeah, yun yung siniset up ko. And, yan, kaloka lang. Ang daming wire. Yep. At saka ang init dito, as in, init. Halaka, iniwan ko pala ito. Lubat na. Kailangan kong i-charge. Andun pala sa baba yung cellphone ko, guys. Dun sa baba. May ulan daw ngayon, pero iwan ko. I open the window. Inopen ko lang yung mga window dito. Hi guys! Nagluluto ako ng bagoong with onion and kamatis. Yun, para lunch natin. Ito siya, guys. Sarap po. Oh my God, ang bango, guys. Grabe. Grabe ang bango. Ayan. Kakain tayo ng lunch kasi nindot ito. Sausawan ba? Pero, yan. Tutuin lang natin siya dyan. Hala, ang init. Ang init, ang sarap. Grabe, napasok yung dila ko. And today is Monday. Andito sana si Tami. Kaso, may trabaho siya. Tinawagan siya ng para ibang trabaho. Off naman siya sa regular niya na trabaho. Pero kaso, may mga tumatawag kasi na trabaho. So, yan. Natawa ako, guys. Huh? Natawa ako talaga. Para akong gigitik. Ay, nako. Nanonood ako sa YouTube, Natawa ako. Hindi naman yun nakakatawa, pero natawa ako ba sa mga nangyayari. Yung basura. Yung basura sa Canada ba? Nilagpot po na ito si Puna niya. Yung basura sa Canada. Pinabalik. I mean, matagal ko na to itong nalaman na nagagalit si President Duterte sa basura na para tayong tinatapunan lang tayo ng basura dito, yun sa Canada, dito sa Pilipinas. Pinabalik na talaga as in. Yung last ko narinig ito is siya. Yung nagalit si Duterte na mag-war daw kasi dapat ibalik yung basura. So ngayon, ibabalik na 20 days from now. Balik na sa Toronto. Natawa ako, ang daming basura. Pati ang Malaysia din. Nagtapon din yung Canada garbage sa Malaysia. So, yung Asia, ginawa ng Canada na garbage area. Natawa ako dun. Buti na lang meron tayong presidente na pak na pak talaga. Okay. Ano kaya inisip? Kanina pa yan dyan. Kanina pa yan dyan. I don't know kung ano yung iniisip mo, Rox. Diba, Rox? I don't really know. I will be right back. And I don't know if Dada will be here. But I will be right back later, okay? And I don't know. It's just maybe he's coming here. And Grandma too. And I don't really know. And I know Grandma want to see you. Because he want to come over here. And Stacey said, come over here. He come over here. You come here. Atosh. Atosh na monkey ka nga. Monkey ni Mama. Dada will be here later, okay? I don't know. I'm not promising, but I don't know. But he always come here and gave me your food and din and treaties and boonsies. You know that? He came always. He loves you so much. He does. He loves you.
For dressing, Dennis will drive at that time. She begins to clean her place. She has always. I remember often. The first I tried to send you a mail. And they told me the whole life you are every time going with the head through the wall. And often I was going only until the wall. The wall was very hard. And I lose.
Perfect. I am just leaving work. I don't know. Anyhow, listen, so Andrew's home painting today. So You want to, I mean, can you just like hang out, like, you know, be there for the guy and that kind of stuff?
For the guy? Who's guy?
Isn't that guy coming today? So,
The dialysis? I thought, who is that guy?
okay, did you tell me he's coming back on Monday?
Yeah. Probably, I think it's late. I don't know what time, but you know, I forgot the time. You know me. I have to write it down. 12 to 2.
I think that's what you told me, yeah.
That's her. Ayaw niyang pumunta dito. Kasi, yun. Alam niya nga alis ako. And I will be right back, okay? Aunt Andrea called me. Roxy, you listening? Aunt Andrea called me. And what happened is, I'm not going over there early. Yeah. Because, she get excited. Because, and Uncle Angelo is gonna be there with Grandma. Got it? And I'm really sad because Dada won't be here. He's going to work. When he heard Dada. Yeah, now she's listening properly. She make it closer that she can understand me. This dog, if she can talk, she will say, "Shut up, Mama. You're lying all the time." But I'm not lying. I will leave later to see Grandma. And what happened is, Uncle Angelo is doing painting. So, the painting is the pintang. The painting is naging pintang. Okay? I don't know. But Mama has to go out. And then I will spray the yard. And Aunt Andrea told me that I cannot paint the fence because it's dangerous for the dog. That's what she told me. So Aunt Andrea, she loves you. You know what Grandma told me? You know what Grandma told me, Roxy? See, Grandma, I want to go over there to see my babies. Grandma misses you. Yeah, Grandma miss you. She misses Misty. She miss you. No, she's like bored. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up. Oh my God, you guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Me going up. So, hindi na ako madala mag-laptop kasi wala nang time doon. Pagdating ko doon, may therapy. Stay for a while. Spend time with Bianan. Yan. And then, uwi. So, dyan. Yan. So, 11 o'clock na. So, alis ako dito. 11:30. So, meron tayong 30 minutes. And kakain tayo sa baba. Yes, kain tayo sa baba. Let's go down. Let's go. Mama's going to have lunch. Okay. Okay, so alis na tayo. Oh, may ano pala dito. Kaloka naman ito. Mag-stop ako sa mailbox para i-sure kung andito na yung package ni tayo. Masakit yung paa ko, guys, kasi nabundol yung paa ko at saka nasamad. Ang laki ng samad. Yung kumingking ko, na ano siya. So anyway, I will see you later, guys, and thank you guys so much. Magmadali lang ako kasi may PT si Bianan, may physical therapy, and yun kailangan nandun tayo, at saka yung nurse din, nag-abot-abutan silang lahat. So yun, look back. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, I know. Okay. Uncle Pumps. What is Uncle? I think it's like this.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you count 30. 30.
Yeah. 30?
Yeah. She did good, guys. She did good exercise. She's very strong now.
Very strong.
We need to get like the rubber that he used you. The rubber like to put in your legs that you can have strength. I can see that it works for you. Like after you do that, seems like you have a muscle. Like makes you more like stronger standing up quick. I see that.
It strengthens your muscles.
That's why we need to get that. He said that you can buy it at like Walgreens.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll have to make sure I look at it.
I'm gonna tell Tommy to get that Walgreens. Yay! Lunchtime! I'm filming. Lunchtime! You can put it here. I'll get you also a napkin that you can, if you wanna wipe. Okay?
Oh, that's all
Is that good for you like that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Guys, yung clouds is so nice and there's no dark cloud whatsoever. Right, Mom? Everything is like white and blue.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's so nice. I thought it's going to rain. But it's not. I thought it's going to.
Yeah, I did too.
Yeah. So nice here. The tree is so big. Sa bahay dito ng sister-in-law ko. Laki ng mga kahoy. Ang ganda, oh.
Mom, this one, Mom, is scary. Mom. 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 Oh, God. Mom. Mom. We should do it together. I'm scared. I feel myself scare anything. I feel myself. Look at my face. Oh my God! Look at you. Yeah, look at me. Oh my God!
Get up. Get. Damn. Run for your life, Dibs. Dibs, run for your life. Oh my God. 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 Oh my goodness. Get down your nails. Get out. Good. You don't leave me. Let's go out this. Oh my God. Hi, Mitz. Hello, Mitz. Hello, baby. Hello. That tongue. That tongue. That tongue. Come, Mama. Hello, Rox. Hello, baby. I love you too, baby. I love you too. I love you too. Enjoy. Okay. Crazy this Misty Squat, Misty. Nanonood ako kay City Yoko's vlog. Hindi siya pa masyadong nagba-vlog, si Say. Hold on. Hindi siya masyadong nagba-vlog. Did you notice? If you are following her, if you're her follower, hindi siya nagba-vlog masyado, diba? Meron tayong lemon dito, guys, at saka soka at toyo. Yun yung sausawan natin kasi kakain tayo ng dinner. It's 6:18 na ng hapon and sobrang sunny pa sa labas. Yun. Don't go crazy. Oh, don't go crazy. I must be crazy. The suway number is suwa number. Oh, what's that number 2? I wanna subwa. I wanna subwa ba. Pataka man yung kanta ba. Basta kay mauna ng tuno, bahala na ang lyrics kung di magka, di mao. Basta kay ang tuno, hapit-hapit lang. And yun. Yun, and yun. Kain tayo, guys. Okay. Suka. Sarap nito, guys. Basta talaga may suka sa lime. No. Hindi talaga mapigilan yung sarap. Iba pa rin yung lasa ng barbecue kapag yung ginagamit mo is charcoal. Yung totoong yung charcoal ba? Iba pa rin yung lasa. Masarap pa rin. Guys, alam na alam talaga ni Roxy na papunta ako sa taas. Tignan nyo, nauna na dun. Kanina pa yan dyan. Palaging nauna sa hagdanan. Yeah, palaging nauna sa hagdanan. Hmm? No, naku. Get down! Naku, listen. You stay down here. You are not going up with me. Tignan nyo. I said, listen. You stay down here. You wait. I'll be right back. Gusto talagang sumama. I said, I'll be right back. You stay here. You stay down here. Ang isa doon, naghintay yan. Ang isa. Tignan nyo yung ikog nila. Tignan nyo yung ikog. Tignan nyo lang yung sila. I'll be right back. You stay there. Mama's going to edit the video. Okay, up here. Come on. Excited. Okay, up. Get up. Okay. Yung sister-in-law ko. Nagtitext kami kung anong gagawin namin sa biyanan ko. Mga gawin dapat. And yun. Anyway, punta lang ako sa labas, guys. And I will see you here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, ha. Punta na ako sa baba, matulog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.